The iPhone 14 announcement is mere weeks away. We are expecting to see invites to the Apple September event anytime soon, but there are still realms of iPhone 14 leaks to pour through, dissect and tell you all about. The basics: we are expecting to see 4 new iPhone launch on September 7, and within that there won't be an iPhone 14 mini replaced with the iPhone 14 Max. However, the main upgrades will be coming to the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the iPhone 14 Pro, where the iPhone 14 is expected to bear a striking resemblance to last year's iPhone 13. The iPhone 14 leaks are now coming thick and fast and from more reputable sources as we begin to close in on the launch date, which we are now expecting to be September 16, giving only 9 days from launch to on sale, which is shorter than in previous years. The article is designed to do one thing: allow you to get an instant hit of all the latest iPhone 14 leaks and rumors, so you can feel as confident as we are about what's real and what's not. And we have been at this while predicting and analyzing leaks on release dates, prospective prices, and the most likely specs and charges since the very first iPhone emerged in 2007. Our handy guide is being updated daily in the lead up to the iPhone launch at the next Apple event that we are expecting to happen towards the start of the September. So bookmark us now if you are interested in finding out what's coming and whether you can get excited about the impending upgrades from Apple. The iPhone 14 launch event will take place on September 7 and the phones will go on sale September 16. The 14 is strongly tipped to match the iPhone 13 starting price of $799, but the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max will rise by $100 starting at $1,099. The 14 non-Pro model looks very likely to match the iPhone 13, but the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max look likely to get a punch hole camera instead of a notch. It's looking almost certain that the iPhone 14 mini has been replaced in the lineup by the iPhone 14 Max. With the big day just weeks away, the iPhone's new hues are coming into focus. The big rumor suggesting that both the iPhone 14 and 14 Pro will come in a new purple shade, which seems to be the in color this year in the phone world. Expect similar other colors such as blue, white, black and red for the 14 and gold, graphite and silver for the Pro. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.